Hello, my dear children. Very good morning. You're most welcome in class 12 accountancy. I, R.R. Tripathi from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Just going to explain the NPOs, I mean to say the not for profit making organization. Now you can see the income and expenditure account. You have sent me the problem of question number 20, how to prepare the income and expenditure account and balance sheet of the information given in the question. So dear children, yesterday through the practical question of your textbook, question number 20, I am going to explain whatever the heads, items and information given in the question. So watch the video and try to deserve the information that is given. I would like to read for the sake of you the information given in the question. See, from the following receipts and payments account of a club, prepare income and expenditure account for the year ended 31st March 2019 and a balance sheet as at that day. The information given, question number 20, you can see in your book. To balance BD means cash available in the organization, 6,000. This one is the cash book, you can say. You can tell this one is the cash book. Means receipt and payment account is prepared just like the cash book of profit making organization. To subscription, the amount given 40,000 and 600 received in advance, that is including 600 received in advance, that is including in 40,000. Interest on investments 6,000 given, cost of investments rupees 50,000. Bank interest given, sale of furniture, life membership fee. These are the items in receipt column given, in payment column by salaries, by rent, by stationery, by postage, by bicycle, by government bonds and by balance sheet. Means at the end of the year the cash is available in the organization. Additional information given below the receipt and payment account. Subscription include rupees 3,200 for the previous year. Rent include 900 paid for the last year. Last year rent it was due and just paid for this particular year. Subscription outstanding of the current year are 4,500. Rent outstanding for the month of March 2019 is 1,000 and payment for stationery is also due for current year 250 rupees. And the next things given in previous year, the assets value 1/4/2018, I mean to say 1/4/2018, club had land valued 50,000 and furniture valued at rupees 15,000. The opening assets given. So how we have to prepare the income and expenditure account? First, go through the receipt column and try to sort list the income of revenue nature. Now by subscription, first by subscription received during the year, that is given 40,000, just 40,000 less advance of the current year, that is included, less advance subscription, advance of current year, current year minus 600, just the subscription will be 39,400. Less advance and less outstanding subscription of previous year, because this one is related to the previous year, so it will be deducted from the subscription received during the year. Less outstanding at beginning of the year, minus, that is given 3,200. 3,200. 0, 0, 2, 36,200 less, outstanding will be added of the current year. Outstanding of current year. Current year, that is given 4,500. That will be the main subscription of the current year. So 40,700. Then after, by interest on investment, by interest on investment, by interest on investment, 6,000 plus 6,000. Then by bank interest, by bank interest, by bank interest 200. And to sale of furniture, that is lost to life membership fee. These are the incomes. And now come to the expenditure column. In expenditure column, 2 salaries. Whatever the payment made by the organization, 2 salaries, 15,400. 2 rent. That is the additional information given about the rent? 12,300 less outstanding of previous year, outstanding at beginning of the year, at beginning of the year, minus 900 11,400 at outstanding of the current year, at outstanding of current year plus 1,000 is equal to 12,400. That will be the amount of rent of the current accounting period. Then after 2 is stationery. Stationery 700 at outstanding, at outstanding 250, that is given. So it will be the 950. Then after 2, postage. Postage is the amount given 400. The amount given 400. Then after the items given by still government bond balance. Now see over here the additional information, subscription also adjusted, rent also adjusted, and stationery adjusted. Just we have to total excess of income over expenditure. We have to calculate just this way. 0, 9. The total will be 46,900, and we have to calculate the excess over expenditure. We can write the 46,900, and this will be the difference, just 15,150. That will be the surplus. We can write this way to excess income over expenditure that is surplus. That is surplus. So this is the proper way, whatever the information given in this question. Adjustment outstanding first by subscription, whatever the amount received during the year 40,000 less advance of current year advance 600 given, it will be deducted 39,400 less outstanding at the beginning 3,200 also deducted 36,200. Then after adding the outstanding of current year, this is the process of computing the subscription regarding the current year. By interest on investment, that is the income of the current year recorded in income column of the income and expenditure account. By bank interest 200 given, rest of the amounts just they are the liabilities. Now here we can see just to loss on sale of old furniture. Sale of old furniture. That is 2,600. And to surplus 15,150. That will be the total 46,900. Now in expenditure column, salary is given 15,400, rent given 12,300, rent including the payment of rent including of the previous year, it will be deducted from the rent paid for the current year 900, 11,400. And outstanding for the current year, that will be the expenditure of the current year, so 1,000 added. And then after the stationery 700 paid, that is given in payment column, and in additional information that is given 250 is due. So it will be also added 950, postage is 400, and to loss on sale of old furniture, whatever the cost 5,000, and it has been sold in rupees 2,400. So 2,600 will be loss on sale of the furniture. That's why it will be recorded in income expenditure account at expenditure column, or just showing the loss. And then the surplus to excess income over expenditure, that is surplus 15,150. So dear children, keep on watching the video and try to deserve the fact whatever the information given in the question. You can justify yourself, and in next video I will tell you the balance sheet, how to prepare the balance sheet of not for profit making organization by calculating the capital fund. Capital fund also hidden in the question, and we have to compute that one first by preparing the opening balance sheet and then after the current balance sheet of the current year. So this is the way to find out the surplus or deficit. Now see whether the income income column exceeds the total of the expenditure column. Total of the income column exceeds the total of the expenditure column. That will be the excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus. So we can record this one in surplus column 15,150, and whatever the additional information given, we have to adjust that one in income and expenditure column. In next video, I will explain the balance sheet by preparing the opening balance sheet and closing balance sheet also. Thank you very much. Keep on watching.